Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering ingredients and rinsing 1 15-ounce can white beans or 240 grams cooked cannellini beans until water runs clear. Measure 3 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, and 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Set aside. Peel and smash 2 cloves garlic, and measure 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin and 1/2 teaspoons salt to taste. If using dried beans, soak overnight and cook until tender, about 1 to 1. 5 hours, then cool to room temperature before blending. Place drained white beans, 3 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, smash 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon salt into a food processor or high-speed blender. Pulse to break down ingredients, then run continuously while streaming in 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons cold water until you reach a smooth, creamy texture. Stop and scrape the bowl once or twice. If the hummus is too thick, add 1 to 2 more tablespoons water or olive. After blending, taste the white bean hummus and balance acidity by adding up to 1 tablespoon more lemon juice and increase salt in 1/8 teaspoon increments until pleasing. For heat, add a pinch of cayenne or a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Transfer to a serving bowl and drizzle with 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Finish with a sprinkle of smoked paprika, chopped parsley, or toasted pine nuts. Serve with pita, raw vegetables, or crackers. Refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 5 days and stir before serving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.